Giving you the headlines first, many extend relief materials to hailstorm affected families. 𝐶𝐤𝐰𝐬 proposes peace talks that compromise state's territorial integrity. And MP 𝗔𝗙𝗪𝗔𝗚 𝐶𝐿 conferred honorary doctorate degree in social work. Hello Kurumjeri, this is Northeast Window and you're watching English News with me, Jessie THIYAM. Now the news in detail. Officials of relevant government departments have begun taking stock of hailstorm-affected villages in Bishnupur district today. The violent hail and thunderstorm which swept across the state caused huge damage to public and private properties and also gravely affected agriculture, poultry farmers in the district. There has been power outage for the past 3 days while water supply has also been affected. A team of MSPDCL has reportedly begun fixing the electric wires and poles and the power is expected to be back tomorrow. Meanwhile, staff of SDO Bishnupur along with members and pradhans have also begun conducting survey of damaged houses to provide relief materials. However, the affected people have resorted to buy GI roofing sheets and other materials to repair their houses owing to their pressing needs. District Agriculture and Horticulture officers have also reportedly taken stock of damaged agriculture farms at Phubala, Sunusify, etc. Social worker Oinam Roman has distributed CGI sheets to hailstorm-affected residents of Singjamai Assembly constituency today. It may be recalled that the violent hailstorm and thunderstorm which lashed Manipur on May 5 has ravaged more than 15,000 houses across the state. Oinam Roman and his team took stock of the houses ruined by the hailstorm and collected detailed report yesterday. Following the assessment, the CGI roofing sheets were distributed to the victims today. Speaking to media persons on the sidelines, Roman said extending possible help to people of his constituency in times of troubles is his duty as a social worker for the past 10 years. He didn't get any donation or fund from anyone to extend the relief material, and it is not an attempt to gain any political mileage, he said. Stating that the government too is taking up measures to provide relief materials and compensation to those hailstorm-affected families, Roman underscored the need to take up the steps and turn them into actions at the earliest in view of the pressing needs of those whose houses have been completely damaged.
ꯍꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯡ 5ꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯡ 2:10 ꯇꯥꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯑꯀꯟꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯪꯍꯧꯗꯅ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯂꯦꯟꯅ ꯇꯥꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯡꯖꯃꯩ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯡꯖꯃꯩꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯤ ꯖꯒꯥ ꯈꯔꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯥꯊꯤꯅ ꯖꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯣꯟꯗꯅ ꯈꯣꯠꯇꯅ ꯃꯥꯡ ꯇꯥꯛꯄ ꯊꯕꯛꯇꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯉꯝꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯒꯣꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯅꯁꯨ ꯄꯤꯒꯅꯦꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯊꯥꯖꯩ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯒꯣꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯄꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯐꯥꯔꯁ ꯁꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯀꯦꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯈꯔ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯡꯖꯃꯩꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯖꯤꯡꯒꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯉꯝꯕ ꯁꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯜ ꯇꯝꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯄꯤꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯐꯪꯍꯧꯗꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯇꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯉꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯀꯦꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯖꯒꯦ.
Indian Red Cross Society IRCS Bishnupur branch distributed tarpaulin to hailstorm-affected families across Bishnupur district yesterday. Secretary of IRCS Bishnupur district branch Dr. Huidrom Roman, Treasurer Thokchom Netaji, Executive Member Wahimbam Tolango, Khwairakpam Khogendro and other members visited Kaino, Ningthaukhong, Sunusify and other places in the district and distributed tarpaulin to the affected families. GI roofing sheets have been distributed to hailstorm-affected families of Sagolban Assembly constituency for the first phase. Over 300 houses were damaged across the constituency in the violent hail and thunderstorm which lashed the state on May 5. PRO of MLA of the constituency, 𝐂𝐲𝐬𝐬, said the relief material were jointly distributed by official staff of the MLA along with polling committee members. For the first phase, GI sheets were distributed to affected families from Ward number 7 to 10. The items were distributed from the MLA's side while waiting for the government's relief package in view of urgent needs of the victims, the PRO said. President of 𝐿𝐻𝐻𝐵 𝐁𝐫𝐸 Manipur, 𝐿𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐵, contended to no compromise is needed between the Meitei community and the Kuki militants to resolve the present conflict in Manipur. He was speaking at the observance of First Foundation Day of 𝐁𝐫𝐸 Manipur at Manipur Press Club's Loktak Hall today. Managing Director of Angel Children Hospital and Vaccination Center, Dr. Taurim Yaikhombakhuman, 𝐁𝐫𝐸 Manipur Advisor as Ngoba Meitei, 𝐾H NG Raghu Meitei, CH Manitomba Meitei, All Manipur Punba Meitei Leima Merapaibi President K. Guni Leima, Advisor of Awang Kuno Lamkai Merapaibi Amlata, President of Women Vendor Association Nambol Bazaar A. Chandralekha Leima, 𝐁𝐫𝐸 Legal Advisor Advocate L. Indrakumar were among those present at the observance. Speaking further, 𝐿𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐵 said, promoting the aged old culture, traditions, disciplines of the Meitei community passed down by the forefathers across the globe is the sole objective of 𝐁𝐫𝐸. Calling upon all the indigenous communities of the state to stand together and face the enemies to restore peace in the state, 𝐿𝐻𝐻𝐻𝐻 said that if the government of India invites the Meitei community for a political dialogue to resolve the state conflict, they will only go for the meeting after setting a common agenda by holding a collective meeting of the civil society organizations and the people of the state, he said.
ꯊꯧꯒꯜꯂꯣꯟ ꯕꯦꯕꯥꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯅꯕꯤ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯉꯥꯛ ꯁꯦꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝꯒꯤ ꯐꯝꯕꯥꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯐꯨꯔꯨꯞ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯍꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯆꯅ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯔꯣꯜ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯨꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯤꯂꯝ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯉꯥꯛ ꯁꯦꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯊꯝꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯒ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯅꯕꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯥꯛꯉꯝꯗꯅ ꯌꯦꯜꯍꯧꯃꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯐꯨꯔꯨꯞ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯂꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯂꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯌꯦꯜꯍꯧꯃꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯃꯤꯟꯅꯗꯨꯅ ꯇꯪꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯥꯕ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯍꯟꯕ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯀꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯂꯧꯖꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ.
MP 𝐂𝐲𝐸𝐬 𝐁𝐫𝐸 has been conferred honorary doctorate degree in the field of social work on Sunday. The honorary doctorate degree was conferred by Witwatersrand University, Republic of Ghana country in recognition of his continuous works for the betterment of the community and his enthusiasm for serving the people. The presentation ceremony was held in the Constitution Club of India, New Delhi, organized by Lata Foundation in association with Journalist Council of India, JCI, on May 5. It may be recalled that the World Human Rights Protection Commission had also conferred an honorary doctorate degree to MP 𝐂𝐲𝐸𝐬 𝐁𝐫𝐸 in recognition of his commitment to the development of social work on October 23, 2021. Now let us take a short break. We'll be right back.
Step into a world of endless possibilities with 18 dynamic faculties and 180+ courses. Unlock your potential with industrial-ready training and placements. SGT University, empowering tomorrow's leaders.
Welcome back. President of Gyan-Ratna Sahitya Academy, Manipur State, Dr. Panjobam Lanajit Singh has been selected as a lifetime member of Gyan-Ratna Sahitya Academy Central Committee. During a function of the Academy at Guwahati, GSA National President Hemchandra Burman presented lifetime certificate of the Academy of Dr. Panjobam Lanajit. Relief and stationery items were distributed to internally displaced students taking shelter at 𝗔𝗡𝗓𝗔𝗬 Saiton. The items including pen, pencil, t-shirts, indoor games, kits, etc. were distributed to the children by social worker 𝗘𝗫𝗄𝗛 proprietor of AZTRCS Fight Studio Thangjam Premananda, managing director of Brain Science Northeast Region Oinam Gold Flag. A Delhi court extended the judicial custody of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal till May 20. The Supreme Court was hearing the bail plea application of Kejriwal, where the apex court noted that he is an elected Chief Minister with elections around the corner. It described the situation as extraordinary and highlighted that Kejriwal is not a habitual offender. A bench including Justices Sanjeev Khanna and Dipankar Datta were involved in a hearing regarding the petition of the jailed Chief Minister challenging his arrest on March 21 by the Enforcement Directorate in connection with the Delhi liquor policy case. Senior lawyer Abhishek Manu Singhvi, representing the Aam Aadmi Party leader, was questioned by the court if Kejriwal would attend office, sign files and give orders if released on interim bail. Singhvi replied that Kejriwal will not be involved in the excise case as he is a sitting Chief Minister. The bench clarified that if Kejriwal is released, he should not perform any official duties due to potential cascading effects. The Supreme Court also informed the Enforcement Directorate that it would consider the bail arguments as Kejriwal is the sitting Chief Minister of Delhi and is required to campaign for the Lok Sabha elections. The Enforcement Directorate rejected the court's suggestion, arguing it would set a bad precedent. Now, before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Many extend relief materials to hailstorm-affected families. 𝐿𝐻𝐵 opposes peace talks that compromise states' territorial integrity. And MP Kingston Ajabul Leshemba conferred honorary doctorate degree in social work. And that is all we have for now, but for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window News.